Hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, November the 20th, 2021. I've already solved these two puzzles, the binary and the Sudoku with 3 stars. Now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Alright, and this one will be number 3714. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12 printed digits. Should be an hard one. The hard ones, Tectonic with 4 stars, has always 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And for a 4 stars, I need to be my time limit for a 4 stars puzzle 30 minutes or more. We'll see. So let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Single box always a 1. Okay, I see here 2 single boxes, always a 1, so let's put the 1 there. Dual boxes. Do we have a dual boxes in this puzzle? Here dual box, there dual box. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be also a 1. Here also a 1. More dual boxes. Let me scan. No, triple boxes. Do we have triple? Oh, here another dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Triple boxes then. No triple boxes here in this puzzle. Quadra boxes here. Quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. I cannot fill this yet. More. No, only 1. Ah, here. Well, this box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, I cannot fill this further, so the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape, let me draw this. This shape. Alright. If you see this kind of shape, remember, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another 1 but rotated, so this box has the same number as that box. Here, another 1. So this box has the same number as that box. 3. Yes, we have 3 of this kind of shapes. Then the following shape. Let me see, this following shape. How about the shape? Let me draw this again. Alright. Yeah. This kind of shape here. Remember that this wait. This box has the same number as that box. Yeah, this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5. So this box. Oh, I rotated this one. I have rotated this one. Doesn't matter. Yeah. 180 degrees, I believe. No. This box is the same number as that box. Yeah. So I flipped this one. Anyway. Yeah. I flipped this one. No problem. How about this one? This shape. Let me draw this. Okay. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Alright, more of these kind of shapes? No. Those are the shapes or figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 of them. With 3 of them that you need to recognize, then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. There are more of those shapes, but not in this puzzle. Alright, so let's get starting filling the numbers. That's the next step. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, it could be there. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, okay. Let me think. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can it be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 5 goes there. Let me think. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Well. Okay. Then. Let me think. I'm stuck. Okay. 5. Yeah. 4, 3. Think. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, this box cannot be a 3. We have a number 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can also not be a 3. We have a number 3 there. The 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. We have a number 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. Wow. I need to think. Think. No 3. Here should be the 3. No 3. 3. Complicated. 205. Okay. Let me see. 1. Please don't want there. 2, 4, 1 or 3. 1, 3. 1, 3. Can it be 2? Can it be 5? Ooh. Can it be a 1? This can be a 1. Well, these two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. Those two boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be a 2. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair should be the 5 and the 3. Okay. And then. Well, we have a 2 there. I've marked those two boxes with a 2. So this box can be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 to 4. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. Oh, I've already marked a 1 here. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. That means that those two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this box cannot be a 2. We have a 2 here. So it's not the solution to place a 2 here. The 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. We have a 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and a 4. And not the 1. So I've eliminated the 1 here. So the 1 should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. This box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Okay. 3 and a 4. Now we have a 3 here. So it cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These two boxes can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. We have a 4 now. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. And this box will be a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1, 2. The 3 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. 3 and a 5. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers are 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No, let me give this 2 stars because for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes, and I've solved this in 60 minutes, and I love this puzzle. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow on Sunday we have no newspaper, so I will continue with the rest of the puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and a Tectonic with a 1 star. Until then, have a great and fantastic Saturday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Bye-bye for now.